Did you know that you can use different brain wavelengths to hack your reality? Most of us, as we are awake and walking around, are in some form of beta. Beta is when you are awake and alert and kind of going about your day-to-day business. Now, as you start to relax, maybe you're doing a meditation, you're doing the dishes, your day is coming to a close, you are going to slip into a alpha brain wavelength. Now, alpha is a little bit of a slower brain wavelength, and it is when your body starts to no longer be connected physically to the 3D reality. It is also kind of a gateway into your subconscious. This is also where your creative mind tends to take over, which I know for me, like so many times I'll be sitting there doing the dishes, not thinking about anything, right? And all of a sudden, questions that I have asked myself I'm starting to get answers. Alpha is also kind of the path or the bridge to theta, and theta is where all the magic happens. Now, theta is the wavelength where your subconscious is most open to receive. It's kind of like being in hypnosis, actually. Now, obviously, theta is my absolute favorite, and the best times for most people is really 10 minutes or so after you wake up in the morning and your brain is still really hazy. That is the absolute best time to reprogram and retrain your subconscious. Now, what this really means, if you are doing anything like quantum jumping, if you're doing visualization, you're doing your ask-formations or your affirmations, this is the absolute perfect time because your subconscious is most open and kind of hypnotized into new programming. This leads to a much, much more powerful impact in your physical 3D realm, right? If you want to know more about brain wavelengths, let me know.